This video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at problems with Z reports not resetting on the SR range of Casio cash registers. Most probably this is because you've got Bluetooth set up on the register, but the paired device isn't next to the register. So you can see I've got an error message here. If I clear that and then have a look at the Z report, or the X report I've just taken, the report has printed out virtually in its entirety, and the only way you know there's a problem is there's a little message at the bottom saying there's been a Bluetooth error. The same thing happens when I run a Z report. I run daily Z, the report prints out seemingly correctly, and then I do get an error message on the display to do with Bluetooth, but it doesn't actually look like there's a problem with the report. So you can clear the error message, tear off the report and think, job done. But the problem is, of course, the next day when someone else is coming to do their Z report is going to contain all the figures from that day, but also all the figures from this report, because this Z report hasn't successfully run. So there's two possible solutions. The first one is to bring the paired device next to the register and then run the report again, and then you'll find that it will work without the error message. Of course, you may not actually want the Bluetooth set up on the machine, and in which case it's easy to switch it off. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn the setting off. So to do that, you need the PGM key, and you need to turn it around to the PGM position and then arrow down to Bluetooth. When Bluetooth's highlighted, CA amount end, and then into functions, and you've got X data to mobile and Z data to mobile. Both of mine are switched to yes, so I'm going to switch both off because I no longer want the Bluetooth. I just want to use the till in a normal way and run reports through the till. So you switch both of them to no, subtotal, subtotal, and then key back round to Z, tear this off, and then now when we run our Z report, we'll get the Z report print out correctly, no error message, and the report will finish. Which will mean that when whoever runs tomorrow's report will only get tomorrow's data on it. So you can see the reports are identical because this one didn't finish, so it's got all the same information on it. The only difference is at the very end on the first one we've got the Bluetooth error end. I can prove the point actually. If I run another Z report now, apart from the counters and the GTs, this report will all be at 0. There we go, we've got a GT on there, and obviously the counters are saying another report's been done, but other than that, it's all at 0. So I hope this video has been helpful. You can visit casiohelp.co.uk for more information on the SR range of registers. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel. We're always uploading and posting new videos on the Casio tills, so I'd recommend that. And there's probably other videos appearing on screen now which you're welcome to watch. Thanks for watching.